Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Tour. I am Alex.
And I am Maya.
Today, we are going to practice something very useful.
Yes, we will learn how to book a hotel room in English.
This topic is super important for travel.
Exactly. Maybe you are traveling for vacation.
Or for work.
Or maybe you just want to feel more confident speaking English at hotels.
In this lesson, we will practice real English conversations.
And we will also do role play together.
So relax, listen carefully, and repeat after us if you want practice.
Let's begin.
Maya, I get nervous when I travel
Why?
because hotel conversations happen so fast.
That is true sometimes.
The receptionist asks many questions.
Like your name, passport, booking details, and room preference.
Exactly. And sometimes I forget simple English words.
Don't worry. Today we will practice step by step.
Good. First question.
Go ahead.
What is the difference between book a room and reserve a room?
Great question. They mean almost the same thing.
Really?
Yes. Book a room is more common in everyday English.
And reserve a room?
That sounds a little more formal.
Okay, so both are correct.
Exactly.
Another question.
Sure.
What does check-in mean?
Check-in means arriving at the hotel and getting your room key.
And check-out?
That means leaving the hotel and returning the key.
Simple.
See, hotel English is not difficult.
Maya, can you teach me some useful sentences?
Of course.
Let's do it.
Sentence number 1. I would like to book a room.
Good. That sounds polite.
Very polite and natural.
What next?
I have a reservation under the name Alex.
Oh, yes. Hotels ask for your name.
Exactly.
What if I want a cheaper room?
You can say, do you have any cheaper rooms available?
Nice. That is useful.
Here is another one. Is breakfast included?
Important question.
Very important.
Especially for hungry travelers.
Exactly.
What if I need Wi-Fi?
You can ask, does the room include free Wi-Fi?
Perfect.
And if you need help, say, could you help me, please?
Simple and polite.
Okay, Alex. Now let's do our first role play.
Great.
In this role play, I am the receptionist.
And I am the guest who is calling the hotel. Let's start.
Good evening. Sunrise Hotel. How may I help you?
Hello. I would like to book a room.
Certainly, sir. For which dates?
From June 10th to June 14th.
Okay. How many guests will stay?
Just one person.
Would you like a single room or a double room?
A single room, please.
We have a standard room and a deluxe room available.
What is the difference?
The deluxe room is larger and includes breakfast.
How much is a deluxe room?
It is $120 per night.
Okay, I would like the deluxe room.
Perfect. May I have your name, please?
Yes, my name is Alex Brown.
Thank you, Mr. Brown. Could you provide your phone number?
Sure, it is 555-2389.
Wonderful. Your booking is confirmed.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome. We look forward to seeing you.
That was actually easier than I expected.
See, you did great.
But I noticed something.
What?
The receptionist spoke politely.
Yes. Hotel English is usually formal and polite.
So words like would, could, and may are important.
Exactly.
For example, could you help me? May I have your passport? I would like to book a room.
Perfect. Alex, Now let's practice checking in at the hotel.
Okay, I am ready.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Sunrise Hotel.
Hello. I have a reservation under the name Alex Brown.
Let me check. Yes, Mr. Brown. Your reservation is confirmed.
Great.
May I see your passport, please?
Of course. Here you are.
Thank you. You booked a deluxe single room for 4 nights.
That is correct.
Breakfast is served from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m.
Okay,
Here is your room key.
thank you.
Your room is on the 5th floor.
Does the room include free Wi-Fi?
Yes. The password is written on the key card holder.
Perfect.
Enjoy your stay.
Thank you very much. But Maya, what if there's a problem with the room?
Good question. Let's learn some useful sentences.
Okay,
You can say, the air conditioner is not working,
useful.
or there is no hot water.
That sounds terrible.
Yes. Another common sentence is, could I change my room?
Very helpful.
And if you need extra things, say, could I get an extra towel? Or, could I have another blanket?
These expressions are very practical.
Okay, Alex. Final challenge.
Oh no,
This time, speak more naturally and confidently.
I will try.
Good evening, sir. Welcome to Ocean View Hotel.
Hello, I would like to book a room for 2 nights.
Certainly. Would you like a single room or a double room?
A double room, please.
Would you prefer a smoking or non-smoking room?
A non-smoking room.
Excellent choice. Would you like breakfast included?
Yes, please.
Okay. The total price will be $220.
That sounds fine.
May I have your name?
Alex Brown.
Thank you. Your room is ready.
Great. Does the hotel have free Wi-Fi?
Yes, it does.
Perfect. Thank you for your help.
You are welcome. Enjoy your stay.
Wow, I feel much more confident now.
That is great.
Today we learned how to book a hotel room, check in at a hotel, ask questions, solve common hotel problems.
And most importantly, we practiced real English conversation.
Exactly.
If you enjoyed this lesson, practice these conversations again at home.
Repeat the sentences aloud.
And try doing the role play with your friends.
Thank you so much for watching.
See you in the next episode of English Tour.
Bye, everyone.